Hey everyone, it's Megan with the Crafty Planner Lover here, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be planning for the week of August 14th through the 20th in my catch-all planner using the Beach Vibes kit by ReddHeadStickers. If you can't tell, my voice is a little hoarse. I went a little too hard at work and I was very excited and I yelled a lot. So that is why my voice is hoarse. I apologize if it cracks throughout the video, but this is what we're going to be working with, and I am so excited because this is the week of my cruise and it is going to be so fun. I've got a couple of items here. So I have the mini Happy Planner dashboard from ReddHeadStickers, as well as a few items from her kit, and you can get kit items a la carte and as a full kit. So I have a few things here. I have the Summer Babe Beach Girls from ReddHeadStickers. I also have the Beach Fun in Mini and Big Deco, and then I have some quotes from Planet Darby that I thought might be cute to add into the spread. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and jump into this week. Because my voice is a little hoarse this week, I might not be talking too much, so you might just get background little music throughout the spread, throughout this video, so I apologize once again if my voice just sounds scary. It's nothing. I just went a little too hard with excitement at work and just, you know, used my voice a little too much, so that is why it sounds like I am literally dying. I'm not. I just have a hoarse voice. So I'm going to put the little, what is this called? Car washi across the bottom of the spread here because I think it is super adorable. Have you guys gone to the beach yet? Are you planning on going to the beach this summer? Let me know. I would love to hear your summer plans. That sounds like it will be a lot of fun. It'll be exciting and a good time for everyone to just enjoy the summer and the heat. Speaking of the heat, how are you guys doing with the heat? I am also not doing too well. It is hot, it is gross, and it is no fun. Well, I went ahead and just apparently ripped the page, so that's fun, but it's fine. We'll fix it. I'm going to add my work schedule on here and see if that will fix some of the unfortunate rippage that we've got going on here. Alrighty, and I do have my ReddHeadStickers album that I'm going to pull work schedule from because I do need to write that down. If you guys are interested in seeing how I have organized my stickers, I will be having a sticker organization video coming out very soon. It's not completely like finalized as to how I want things organized, but I think it works pretty well, and I am excited for you guys to see it because I think it'll help a lot of people with figuring out how to keep things organized, and I don't know, I think it would be helpful for those who really want to see how to organize a bunch of different stickers in a fun way. Okay, that didn't really work out too well. This is actually super crooked. I also think the Monday through Sunday sticker is crooked, but I've already ripped this page enough. We're not going to worry about that. Okay, so I'm going to be, like I said, on vacation this entire week except for 18th, 19th, and 20th. I come back on Thursday, so I have Thursday off, but I have to work on my off days, my normal off days that week, so we have to figure out, first of all, I've got to figure out what I want to do with this, and I'm thinking of using this to cover it up, and then the rest of that washi there. Okay, my camera just died on me, so I had to fix that. But, okay, now we're going to start with the, I was going to do the days of the week. And I think we're still going to go ahead and do that. And I actually have another set of this washi color. I think it was from her, like one of her Valentine's Day releases, and I like to save washi when I don't use it, like especially because of instances such as this one. So we're gonna do that, the top of the spread with this. It's a little off color, but I don't think it's that big of a difference, so we're gonna just use it anyway. I love this kit. It is so pretty and so vibrant, and it is perfect for my cruise. And I'm so excited about this cruise, you guys. Like, oh, it's been something I've been looking forward to for a very long time, and I am pumped. Okay, let's go ahead and get these days of the week on here. So we've got plans, we've got things that are happening, and I need to get them down on this page. So we are going to put this here, and the flip-flops here, because this side of the week we don't really need too much space for anything exciting because I'm going to be on vacation, so there's not going to be anything that I really need to worry about. I am going to, maybe not. I was going to add this, but I think we're going to wait on that. We are going to move over to this side because I do need to put some to-dos and lists here. Oops, let go. So we are going to put the car here and slightly layer it, slightly, if it'll let me, right along the edge there. Just like this. And then we're going to take to do and the pink one. And we're gonna, where are my tweezers? We're gonna put that here. Okay, now we're gonna go back over here and put some of these little stickers on. And just add some deco and some fun things to the spread to make it a little bit more usable, like usable. Wow, words are hard today. To make it more usable. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. I love this so much. I really liked adding the quotes. I think that made everything pop really nicely. So that is it for this week in my catch-all planner using the Beach Vibes kit by ReddHeadStickers, her Beach Babes, Summer Girls, and Planet Darby's sassy summer quotes. I really love this. I think it is super cute, and I'm really happy that I was able to show you guys how to use a mini happy planner dashboard spread in a catch-all. And I do a lot of this in different ways. In my social media planner, I have a classic dashboard, and I use the mini happy planner dashboard in that as well. So if you guys are wanting to see how to use kits in different ways, definitely don't forget to check out the description box. There are playlists related to different categories of planner and non-planner related content. If you are interested in seeing my cruise vlogs, I have a playlist called Travel With Me, and you can check out all of the different cruise vlogs that I have, and I will be sharing my cruise adventures from this week as well. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Consider subscribing if you haven't already so you are up to date and notified when I post new videos. If you want to save 15% off of your order from ReddHeadStickers, don't forget to use my code Megan. Like I said, it'll save you 15%, and you will also get my beautiful freebie. This is what it looks like. It has all the fun summer things. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and until next time, craft on. Bye guys!